Okay, so that was just some terrible test run. So we're gonna start this from the start the right way. And hopefully I can start hearing stuff just about now. Okay, so yes, that's my annoying voice. Okay, so let's go here. And I'm gonna share this when hopefully people will watch it. Whoa. Three, let's see. Okay. Actual stream. So basically, I did not live stream the previous, but we're gonna have to go on Node Hill documentation, and we're gonna basically make sword fight on the heights. So this is what we've had from yesterday. So I have to Control R. What's that? Okay, and use this. So we see here, Brick Hill, they have their default thing in a way separate folder. So we're going to open here into our glorious GitHub folder, and it's empty because I use Linux. And we're going to go here, maps, main.brk. So right now, this is the current concept. We're going to have kind of like this. I kind of wish they changed the decal of that. Like if I could change the decal of that brick, that would be way good. But I guess they're not yet ready with that in their protocol, so this is gonna probably be the default brick. That's how they do the spawn points. I will say that Roblox has and always had a way better spawn decal, and once I can change the decal, I will change it because we can go here, Roblox spawn, and just look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. That's just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put some no copyright sounds, I guess. No copy. Oh, this row. So we're gonna put some no copyright music to listen to. So no copyright programming music. Okay, so this is no copyright. Okay, so that's pretty cool music, and it's no copyright. So I hope it's no copyright. Okay, this better be no copyright. Because I am. Well, and if it is not, then we're just fucked. Okay. There, I think that should be a reasonable volume. We're gonna open PowerShell, and then we're just gonna, do the funny. So first things first, we're gonna change the colors. The colors back to Okay, there we go. CD documents GitHub, and then CD sword fighting ice buffer git branch. So we're in dev. Is there? Okay, I'm gonna have to use another Windows. This is where Tmux would come in pretty handy. Okay, so pwd. And we're just gonna cd. Okay. So we don't have make, so there's no make files here yet. So I'm just gonna do the node start.js, and we're gonna watch what we did yesterday. So unfortunately, what I believe will have to be done is that we cannot script these individual things. Tools are scripted externally. You cannot preview them. This probably is going to be a very, very tough project like before. And they're probably going to change the API. So right now, we have player 1 here with a sword. And we're going to have player 2 here with another sword. And we're going to commit a federal crime. Yes, that is called murder. As you can see right now, the jumping and we need to speed up the players, or else it's just too slow. So what do we have to do? We will have to go in and edit if I can find the right tab. So we gotta go into the user scripts and then speed.js. Okay, the colors are okay, so blur set color okay, so let's just change so Vim so color scheme delete. Let's try just doing color. So color delete. That's way better. Okay. So that's why it's probably not working. So this is the debug cycle. So we have to go here, stop it, start it again. Then we have to kill sessions. Well, the sessions are automatically killed, so that's better. And let's hope. No. Game.onPlayer. This is gonna. I think I know what's going on. And did I exit? Yeah. Okay, so this is going to be absolutely painful. Let's see, JavaScript decorating classes. So what is happening is that when I'm executing the speed script, what the speed script will change the game's like on player join function. And that's, let's see. So speed.js is loaded. Oh, let's see. Six. Unexpected end of input, so let's clear. So TWD, you know, yada yada yada. So then user script slash swad.js. So let's see, Windows vimrc. Let's get this configured first, because this is just, I have no words to describe this. The West is to use the value of home. Oh. Okay, so then user. Okay, I guess I'll just have to do this all the time. So player join initial, so okay. Hmm. Split user and then squad.js. Hmm. So let tool equals this game on player join. C node. The fascinating thing is there's no semicolons. Okay, so this is probably going to be like pretty confusing. Okay, so let's try once again. Oh, you see that? Okay, so that is way too... Okay, so we have gotten a good start. This is pretty good. Bit too fast. What if I made the jump? So... the brick node hill, so let's do player, so player. So one thing that I do have a concern is that we're gonna have to use names to imbue certain objects or bricks with certain behaviors. So we're gonna have a lot of coupling, a lot of mix match, and we have to program in a very organized fashion, or else basically once a code base is basically calcified, there's not really anything else you can do with it. It just sucks to change. So let's see, let's get this player. So one thing I do want to add is I'm going to add a rocket feature to the rocket launcher. And I think I know just what to do. So it's going to spawn a brick, and then on contact, it'll destroy itself, and then make one of these bricks for like half a second, which destroys itself but also kills anyone in range. Or damages them at least. Then fall. Oh, okay, okay. See, boom and boom. You know, years after this, I'm probably gonna look at myself like, why the hell did I go through this? I could have probably been editing the book. So we're gonna make some nice bricks right here. And so the interesting thing with this is that, like, when I change the map, so if I join, Node Hill's already loaded the server. So it's not gonna change. What I have to do is I have to close the server, open it back up each time I want to test. This is going to be a very slow and tedious process. And I think that is one reason why Node Hill doesn't have as much of a programming scene. And because there's also, like, I had to, like, spend 3 hours figuring this, like, crap out. Right, so I saved this. I restarted. Okay, so that definitely needs more bricks. I'm probably gonna change that to something else. Because the mesh is basically, it's rectangular. Maybe I'll have it as decoration or something. Or what if, so we'll just go boom, boom. Control V. I'm gonna rotate it. Model. Okay. Now, usually I'd be a lot more talkative, but I think it's a shift click. Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay. I need to fix it. So right now, I'm probably gonna highlight some of the enemies of the development for Brick Hill. And number one is that there is a lack of modularity. It is very useful in programming and game design in general to be able to take something and group it together. Now, there probably is, maybe, hopefully, a group feature but I can't see it. Let's see. So yeah, there's no groups. So that's gonna make things a lot harder to scale. This will make it more error prone, more painful because I have to select everything each time. Actually, let's see. So I'm gonna try opening, and then you might want to have it persist. So if I open something in a certain directory, it should save that directory and open it from that directory instead. That will make things a lot less painful. A lot less painful. Wow, I'm losing brain cells over this. So look, if I want to move this building, if I put this building in the wrong spot, I have to select everything. That's not good. That's not a very good thing. That I don't think anyone wants to have to do that. So, Brick Hill. Now, I will applaud the developers is for actually daring to create this. Because one of the hesitations I had with trying to make a Roblox alternative was any legalities. After further research, I found that Roblox could not make much of a case unless we were to use, specific default character models, because it's straight away from just using rectangular prisms. There's just a lot of stuff to figure out, lots of information to practice. Okay, I'm gonna probably ask them, let's see. So, can we group stuff? Oh, this probably for. So I would put this in official forms, but my account is only 1 day old. So you have BRK import bricks. Brick panel. So nothing serious in Brick Hill can be made until we have a group or a model like in Roblox and just about every other development. Now, maybe there's something hiding in the code. Maybe it is something like that, but at the moment, not so. Let's see. Arrow function, let's go. What? Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. Really, the only reason why I'm able to like even consider undertaking this project is because I'm a developer, they're developers, like we both understand like this clusterfuck. And it's not really an insult, it's just pointing out that, you know, there's a lot of stuff we have to do to make Brick Hill into a more serious development platform. Once we have that issue addressed, then it will be a good contender for Roblox. But until then, we're kind of just stuck in the mud. There we go. I think. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. So what I think I should do is that you want to select like this, because if you click on something in the rotate, it will automatically rotate. Actually, in Roblox Ultimate Build, a very fun griefing method is to use the rotate thing, and just so when you click on the rotate tool, it will not do like that rotate. That's okay, but the thingy will turn around and whatnot. And what that will do is basically destroy anything, because everything is turned into like that. I guess I'm getting karma for all the rotation griefs I've done in the past. Okay, yeah, this is... I'm just dumbfounded at what I have to go through to even make a simple list. And then to edit it, or even move it, I have to select everything. And I can't just do a box select. No, you can't just box select this, sir. You have to... Yeah, this is gonna be a very wonderful relationship. So this is brick 10. Wow, I can't believe I'm looking at bricks. Yeah, like... This is very discouraging to development. Even just map making, so you like... The creative process is very hindered. It's... like... The reason why I'm not talking or giving much commentary is because that I just... I'm trying to think of like how are we gonna undertake this? How are we gonna use like this limited... all of this limited resources to like to actually make a game? And I think the answer is that I think that it's since the resources are so limited at the moment, the games are going to be limited themselves. And yes, you can make very good things under limited resources, but it's very slow, and the payoff is just, so little for doing so much work. But I'm still up to the challenge though of like making something very worthwhile. For example, the jump place that I played yesterday in Brick Hill was pretty good because it had some programming in it. It had some cool scripts and whatnot, and and how it worked was that you'd have points in the shop and that kind of stuff. But the thing that would separate, not exactly separated, but the thing, what I'm trying to say, well, the thing that like is that it would change maps every now and then. So that was just a very good thing for, like, it was cool. Like you weren't stuck to a single map. That's usually, and that used what you could, because there is just a very simple function. If you have a .brk file, it will just get loaded, and boom, you are there. There we go. There we go. Okay, we got him, boys. So we're just gonna leave that alone, because it will be taken apart if we don't. This is actually pretty exciting. Just working with like limited resources, because that, you know, by the time most people who have like played on games that were limited resources, we're already like, you have Godot, so like you don't even need to pay money. I mean, sure, you have like Unreal Engine, but you don't have to pay royalties for Godot. You have the entire source code to your like advantage. And I believe possibly, now correct me if I'm wrong, Real Engine might have went open source, but like I believe they might still have like a royalty thing in it. So like you have access to the source code, but you're still gonna have to pay up. One of the most ridiculous things was that if you use a MP3 file and you will have, and your game has more than 10,000 plays, you will have to pay them this like $1,000 fee or something. Like, the patent probably should have expired like a while ago, but it was ridiculous. But then people who did an open source format .m4a, they actually ended up with a better, more robust file format. So you had a smaller file size with better quality. And okay. Do I dare say yes? I say fuck all of this. But we're gonna make it work. Ah. Okay, so why the hell? Did it load? Oh, there's still not enough on. Are there? Yeah, there's like one just right here. So I have to reload everything. Yeah, like, it's like you can already see how it echoes to like all that. Hold up. So why is this not loaded? Oh, now it's decided to load. Wait, so but then we have this already full. Okay. Um, where is it saving? What? What? Let's go to files and hopefully we can track it down. If we can't, uh, why? What just happened? Like that cool thing I just made was gone. Okay, so we'll just rebuild. We have the technology. We'll do it better. We'll have a California comeback or something. You know, I might try to track down this one game, but it was this old Flash game on this website, and it had like all the Nabisco brands, and you got to race cars and whatnot. So if you know what that game is, you know, put it in the description or something, send a message, whatever. But like, that was just a really fun part of my childhood, and if I could track that Flash game down, I would play it again and again. Yeah, this is absolutely ridiculous. Hmm. Wow. I'm just well, now I can say like to all like future developers and just go like, yeah, back in my days when like Brick Hill was in like one of the top games on the internet, um, this was how things were done. You could not have good rotation. You could not group objects together, so stuff fell apart when you wanted to move them. And like I'm used to that workflow. So like it's hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna. There we go. You're gonna float above it. It's gonna be cool, and then you have the edges to like. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, there we go. You know, I have an idea. So what if we just? There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Okay. So now we have something to just make stuff um a lot better. Okay, so we're gonna make like this thingy go up like this, and this is gonna be fun to sword fight on. I hope that I can maybe improve on the script today, and I might actually have it if I can figure out a way to upload it to my hosting server. I will. Now I will not live stream it because that involves typing passwords and stuff, and I just don't think that I trust you guys yet. I just don't know if I trust you guys with being able to know how to uh edit everything on my website, you know? I just don't. So I'll do that later, and we're just gonna go here. We don't even have lights. But Roblox didn't have lights either, but like the shading is shady. So we're gonna have one here, and then put another one, sync it a little bit. Put one here. And fortunately, the leaderboard's already programmed to, I guess, calculate the amount of kills you have. So that's fabulous. Just beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah. Forgot. You gotta do boom, boom, and boom. You know, if they had more developers working on this, I might actually, maybe I might volunteer to help on this stuff. Wait, so where the fuck is it saving this? Save as documents map main. Yeah. Why isn't this changing the game to? There we go. Okay. There. Ah. Dang. Okay, so this is. I might actually get this on. So why is this hand holding it up? Like, is that how tools are held up by default? Yeah, so I guess so. Maybe I'm gonna set the respawn period to like something less to 0, because that's just boring. So respawn. So wait, is this okay? So game. So this is a brick. You know, maybe we'll add bots, or maybe we'll have a zombie killing game or something. That'd be fun. So game. Maybe that's held in the player. Hmm. Oh, whoa, ha. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's nice. Hmm. Okay. This okay, so let's go. So I think the interesting thing is the bot. So I could guess from like their development of philosophy, they probably had the bot start off, and then afterwards they animated the bot into a player that you could control, or they made the player first, and then yeah, they probably made the player and then just stripped. So that shows that there's some good programming because they're able to abstract that away, or maybe it's just bad programming and they just spent time to do that. Because I do consider probably after the first statement, developers of Node Hill are watching this might be laughing and saying, "Yeah, nah, it sucked." So let's see. Oh, okay. So let's try that. All right, so let's get this program. So we're gonna do game so slash e user script slash zombie.js, and we're just gonna control C. Now, actually, one thing that Node Hill has, Brick Hill has more advanced than Roblox in its early stages is the bots. The bots can move. If any of you have played Roblox before, the zombies' arms wouldn't move. They were just basically a stiff, and they just slide across to you. Those were pretty good days. Roblox did like add it at some point. Yeah, I'm just gonna notepad.exe user scripts and zombie.javascript. I don't know, Windows PowerShell terminal. It's gonna be a challenge. So we're gonna probably spawn. Maybe each time a zombie dies, the game is gonna spawn a zombie or something. I'll probably add a new function to the game. So that's timeout. So that's probably client side. So it's gonna wait for like a couple of seconds. Oh, hello, zombie. Ah! Can we make it? Yes. Let's see. Okay, maybe we'll add a zombie arena. So I'm gonna place. Maybe we'll have everything just below the world. Yes. And you'll just fall into a pit of zombies. That's amusing. Got one here. Yada yada yada. Wow, this is pretty dark. Could I kill the zombie? Let's see if that's possible. Hmm. So I'll have to let the sword kill the zombie. Okay. So first things first is we're gonna just spawn. So then zombie. We're gonna so we're gonna have the Java for loop. And is that my phone ringing? Okay, so Java for loop. Oh, JavaScript. I need a Java. I swear, if JavaScript only has a while loop, I'm gonna. Okay. Thank God. Oh. Zombie amount equals. Maybe this will crash. Like that might be a bad idea, but you know, I'm an adventurous person. Well, I'm gonna probably regret this. This might crash my computer. Maybe let's check the scripts. Okay, we're gonna have more zombies. What? Only ran once? Okay, let's game that message. So, game. Okay. So, this does this for I is less than the zombie amount, and we're gonna increment I. What if I just did 100? Let's try that. Gonna reboot the server. String. Maybe it's a capital S. There we go. Running server locally. No, this is kind of very suspicious ordering. So maybe this will make it less suspicious. Okay, I think we got it. Did we? I just want 100 zombies. Okay, so that is evidence of attempting. Can there only be one bot? So the code is new zombie, new bot, zombie. Ooh. Okay, what if we give them unique names? So maybe that's how the game identifies. So zombie already exists. So zombie's already overridden. I would put this in a function, but I don't know exactly how to, so we're gonna do everything the most responsible thing. Take all of this, and we're gonna place it inside. Does this even run? Okay, so I'll set that there. So we're gonna make string I. I wonder if this is gonna screw stuff up. Yeah, that's a good sign. Yeah, we're gonna close that, and we're gonna change the zombie amount to 10. Whoa, whoa! Okay, I think that was my mistake. So having too many zombies will lag the entire server. It's not going to be good. But we do have so first is we're gonna add some light. Yeah, that's more like it. And we're gonna make it into maybe 2. There we go. What? Okay. Okay. That's the way how you want it. Okay. Let's get this going. Oh my. This is horrendous. So how many zombies is that? So 2. That's 1 zombie. 3. Nice. Okay. Zombie dot. Set position, new. Add. So I guess zombie radius 10. So we're just gonna go yada yada yada. Wow. Okay, let's hope this works. So this is gonna make a random coordinates. We're gonna multiply it by the zombie radius. We should place all initialization variables at the top of the script, because that's just being a good cyberspace citizen. Yeah, that's gonna cause some major lag. Oh, I made it 34? Should have made it. Maybe we'll just put 3, 4 zombies or something. So you could probably already hear the fans, maybe? Okay, so if I make 0 zombies, maybe it'll work better. Now, I would want to move everything up, but we already know how painful that is. Maybe we'll make it purple. No, that's too monotonous. No, no. Okay. So what we're gonna do is make it 0 zombies. We're just gonna comment this entire thing out. How do we think we're gonna do that? Accept. Oh, perfect. Target 8. No, we're gonna make zombie speed, and we're just gonna make pawns. Okay. So we have. Okay, that's pretty scary. That's a bit too fast. So we're gonna make this 100. Da 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 da. Encapsulate that. So if position dot x, so JavaScript comparing floating. Wow. Hmm. position dot z is v minus ha. That's nice. Okay, so now I have to figure out the speed. Why is the player going so fast? Speed. Oh, okay. Hmm. What is this rhythm? Oh, dang. So, wow, I'm just like really astounded in like how this is going to be a very tedious thing to do. I'll probably talk and rant more. So now we're going to try to find some pricing. I think it said it's free. Hmm. I swear, if I could log in with Google, that would be cool. Ah. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to do some math class soon, but this is our current concept, so we're gonna have a lot more lighting for sure. Let's just do 2000. And then we're just gonna press play. Wow, look at that, that's beautiful. Yes. That is what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. Amen. Okay. So, and making stuff. I said when you fall, a zombie. Print screen. Initially, they were going. Why would we? No, in case someone might have a super powerful. Has a smile. Let's see. What if I could change the face? Let's see, face. So bot. Dang, I have to go to math class in 2 minutes. So it has. Let's see. So add listener, constructor. What does a constructor want? It wants a new bot. So what does an outfit have? So body, head. A pretty snazzy app. What colors? No, we're gonna have the height. Maybe we'll set it to 20, 30, 30. Okay, get there. And I think the zombie. So if we go too low, good. If we go high, the zombies will come after. So at least players will already be introduced to the zombie itself. Oops. I wonder if we could have a sound play. Is there music? Oh, okay, so I'm going to go to here. So it was nice coding. See you guys next time. And yeah, that was hell.